You're welcome to this lesson. Today's question, we have this given in orthographic projection. So this object, we're supposed to produce it in isometric view. So given this in front elevation, end elevation, and the plan. So start with the lowest point, which is K. So once we have this point, we start the measurement on this side, which is 50 millimeters, and on this side also is 50 millimeters. Then we'll take the mark in there, then the vertical height, take the distance there, which is 20 millimeters. So move to project this side up, which is represented here, and also this side. We'll project the line up. So this will give us the required measurement. Then now we'll get this upper side, connect it this way, then we erase the unwanted line. So to bring out this area, which is 20 millimeters from this side, then also 20 millimeters also from this side, then we extend the line downwards. Then we connect these 2 points together. After having this, we erase the center point, then project this line at this point. Then now to get this other right hand side, we measure the distance, which is 20. Then to get this side, we connect it this way, then get the other distance, then connect it. The distance there is 10 millimeters between these two lines. Then we now extend this line to connect or meet it at this point. Then we erase the center line where it is there. We will now project, extend this downwards, which is 5 millimeters downwards, so that we can be able to get this cut out at this point. Then let's remember that the height is there, so we extend it this way. We project the line from the edge this way down, then erase unwanted lines, then connect this point this way. So the next thing is to bring out the remaining part, which is the 10 additional 10 millimeters that way. Then we'll connect that line. You can connect it or just mark the 2 ends there. Then extend the line, vertical line this way. So after getting this, the aim is to bring out the square shape and also the arc or the semicircle at that point. So start with this distance there to produce the required square. So we'll get the midpoint from the base to the midpoint there. So we'll get that distance, the midpoint of the square. Since the square moves from the front part to the back side, so we have to work on both of them at the same time. So start with the front side first before we move to the back side. So we'll get the midpoint. So from that midpoint, we'll be able to get the actual dimension. So get from the center point 10 millimeters this way to the left and upwards. So after that, we'll produce the required square this way. Draw the line this way, and down. So we now do that for the back side. Now make the color to be green so that we can be able to differentiate it. Then produce this side and this side. So after getting that one, we will darken the front part, make it bold, then have it drawn this way and this way. So note where the back side starts, that's the green line. So also produce that. Then this connector, this point where it is connected, that's the depth. Then now produce the back square, which is there. So the next thing is to start working on our arc or the semicircle. So with the radius 25, which is given from a question, so we'll do it as if we're producing the full circle. If not, we'll not be able to produce just the semicircle without giving the full division of the side. So now stretching it out this way, so now I can get the required diagonal, then the center line this way for the frontal part of the semicircle. So we'll have this, then this other division line that is moving from this point downwards. So from this point we'll get the first arc from here, from this at the center point, then open to a suitable radius to that end there. Then we'll describe the arc. Then the next part we'll put the center here, then let the with dial radius we'll connect it to get the arc. So now we'll start working on the back side. So we'll repeat the same process for the back side. We'll get the required division, then we'll get the center point, then the diagonal that runs from this side to this point. So after getting it here, we'll send this line that runs from this way to the center part there. So after getting this point, we also get the center. We're not going to draw the full arc since we know where it's supposed to end, where it's meeting the previous arc. So we also repeat this for the back side. So now we are done with this arc. So let's remember this curve here stated in the question. So we're going to produce this using the principle of tangency. We're going to produce this. So get this, which looks more like a square. So we'll repeat for the other side also. So after getting this with our center or one of the edge of the square and the radius, we'll describe the arc. So we'll erase the line that we drew there. So in the end we have our shape like this. Thank you for watching this video.